If you aren't using this powerful money magnet to cash out of the stock market, then you might as well start flushing whatever cash you have down the toilet. Fortunately, it's not too late to get started. In fact, in the current market, this secret money magnet is working better than ever. And if you click right here, right now, I'll show you how our back testing supports how you could have turned $1,000 into over $100,000 US in just 1 year, from January 2019 to January 2020. You see, after trading my own account and training hundreds of thousands of people, I realized that my most profitable trades were always pulled to a specific price point, as if they were attracted by a magnet. So for example, let's take a look at this chart. Each of these purple lines indicates the position of a money magnet. And what you will notice is that the stock's price point is pulled to the money magnet up to 9 out of 10 times. And if you click right here, right now, I'll show you how you can get in a position for yourself to take advantage every time it does. After I discovered this powerful stock market pattern, I decided to do some crazy amounts of research to find a way to take advantage of these money magnets. And what I came up with was a complex algorithm. And in my opinion, this algorithm breaks down the trading patterns of the big institutional investors. The algorithm pinpoints the money magnets within a stock with up to 90% accuracy. Now, these are the exact stock price points a stock could be pulled towards in the near future. And while it sounds complex, all it really means is that when you see one of these money magnets, it's your chance to make a huge profit. You don't need to understand all these complex algorithms, because what I've done to simplify everything, I put it into an easy to follow strategy that you could copy and profit from, even if you are a complete beginner. And it's called the Money Magnet Express strategy. And if you click here right now, I'll show you how you can get your hands on your very own money magnet. So you too could take advantage of these dozens of money magnet opportunities appearing in the stock market literally every day. Using the Money Magnet Express strategy, I've been able to identify back-tested winners like QCOM for 112% gains back in 2019 of March, NVTA for 128% back in January 2019, and TSN for 154% gains in September of 2019. Yet, the best part about the Money Magnet Express strategy is it identifies the exact entry and exit points for every trade idea. So if you can follow easy instructions to place simple trade ideas, you too could cash out gains like 112, 128, even 154% back-tested, uncovered in 2019, all within a few days, without trading risky penny stocks, without spending hours a day staring at your charts, day trading, or even waiting decades for those 7% yearly returns on the S&P to stack up. That's why if you were to only use one strategy today, it's the Money Magnet Express strategy. In my opinion, that's all you need. It's a strategy that is less about money and more about giving you a chance to live life the way you deserve without having to worry about being strapped for cash all the time. So while everyone else is driving to their 9-to-5 job, fighting rush hour traffic on a Monday morning, I'm able to go to the aquarium with my children, spend time vacationing with my wife, and even treat myself to a fancy new toy here and there. Again, if you could only have one strategy to rely on, this should be it. Trading money magnets could be your key to living the kind of life most people can only dream about. And my Money Magnet Express strategy has made it incredibly easy to do so, with only a couple of minutes each month to make a few simple trades. You too could be on your way to potentially turning $1,000 US into over $100,000 US. That's why if you click right here, right now, I'll give you all the details you need to get started, and I'll show you how you could easily use money magnets to grab gains like 112%, 128%, and even 154% within a couple of days, just like this strategy proved capable of doing again and again back in 2019.